Hello, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. I'm here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut. I have a little pedestal here and a Physioball. And the idea here is to allow me to practice with a soft support that the Physioball can provide, where I can change my angle of my practice, right? So, for example, coming into single whip might be an angle change in my practice, right? Wave hands like clouds might be an angle change in my practice as I step. So what I'm trying to do is use that ball as a reference and a rest so that I can kind of develop a sense of reduced use of musculature in terms of holding a shape. And because it's on a pedestal, I can kind of relate to that from a few different angles, the same way that you might use a hanging heavy bag. But in this case, I have that sort of soft, sort of pung support of the Physioball. So I can certainly work this with down pressure moves or sort of a crossing move that we might see in split, for example. So the idea with that is really just to explore it, use a pedestal with the Physioball, and careful not to put your teacher on a pedestal. If you love them, do things that are good for them. And that doesn't include that sort of pedestal.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.